Alright, so you've been saving those crisp bills, maybe you've got a piggy bank overflowing, or maybe you just cashed out a small fortune. Whatever the case, you're looking to add some cold hard cash to your Acorns account. But can you? Let's dive in. Now, the short answer might disappoint some of you. No, you can't directly deposit cash into your standard Acorns investment account. It's not like a piggy bank where you can just toss in your coins. Acorns is primarily designed to work with electronic funds, those ones and zeros that dance around in your bank account. But hold on, don't click away just yet. There's more to the story. Acorns is evolving, and with that evolution comes new features. One of these features is the Acorns checking account. Now, this is where things get interesting. With the Acorns checking account, you can actually deposit cash. It's like having a regular checking account, but with the Acorns twist. You can use your Acorns debit card to withdraw cash from ATMs, and then you can deposit those same bills right back into your account. So, if you're looking to maximize your cash deposits, the Acorns checking account might be your best bet. But remember, it's not just about depositing cash, it's about how you manage that money. You can set up automatic transfers to your investment portfolio, take advantage of roundups, or simply let your money grow in the high-yield savings account. But what if you don't have an Acorns checking account? Don't worry, we've got you covered. There are still ways to get your cash into your Acorns investment account. The most common method is to transfer funds from your existing bank account. Most banks allow you to transfer money electronically, and it usually happens pretty quickly. Another option is to link a debit card to your Acorns account. This allows you to make one-time deposits. It's like using your card for a purchase, but instead of buying something, you're adding money to your investment account. Now, while these methods might not be as direct as tossing cash into a slot, they are efficient and secure. Plus, it gives you the opportunity to automate your investments, which is a key component of building long-term wealth. Let's talk about the benefits of using electronic deposits. First off, it's convenient. No need to worry about counting bills or making trips to the bank. Everything can be done right from your phone or computer. Secondly, it's secure. Your money is protected by encryption and other security measures. And finally, it's efficient. Electronic transfers are typically processed faster than physical deposits. But what about the fees? Well, that depends on your bank and your Acorns account. Some banks charge fees for electronic transfers, while others don't. Acorns generally doesn't charge fees for deposits, but it's always a good idea to check the terms and conditions. So, while you can't directly deposit cash into your standard Acorns investment account, there are definitely ways to get your money in there. The Acorns checking account offers a more cash-friendly option, while electronic transfers and debit card deposits are suitable for those without a checking account. Remember, it's not just about depositing money, it's about how you manage it. Set realistic goals, diversify your investments, and be patient. Investing is a long-term game. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.